I'm going to bring in a person who's going to be a part of this, Pastor Ngobo. Thank you so much for your time. I'm not sure if it is safe to say you are, in fact, in support of Police Minister Senzo Mchunu, and that is the reason why you are here today.
Definitely. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Yes, we are in support of our Minister Mchunu. Hence, he's going back to the commission. And then we have gathered here, as you have said, that is not the first prayer that has been organized. There are two already that has taken place. But today, specifically, we are here in that sense that he's going back to the commission. So we are here to support him, to give him prayer, but not just him alone. We know that what has happened, it has taken us by surprise, the whole nation. So the whole nation need prayer. So as pastors, we have decided that in this time, we know it's tough for him and for his family as well. So we have decided that we must come together and hold the prayers for him.
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. What exactly are these churches or these pastors trying to tell us? Are they trying to tell us that Senzo Mchunu is innocent? What about the evidence that is on top of the table? What exactly is going on in this country? So the picture they are trying to show us now is that General Mkhwana has lied against Minister Senzo Mchunu. I'm very surprised and scared at the same time. I don't think this is normal. This is not ordinary. I'm so scared. I must say I'm so scared.
What can we expect to see with this particular prayer service? We have seen the other two. Is there anything different really compared to what we have seen with the other two?
Today, I think this one is different in a sense that we've got pastors from different fraternals. We've got pastors from different parts of South Africa that are coming here to support him. So that's what's different today. We're expecting people in numbers to be here in support of Minister Mchunu.
Expecting people in numbers. Do you think then the minister is in fact innocent? Well, according to you, hence you are here today.
We believe in the law and we believe in the process of the commission that is taking place. But by law, everyone is innocent until proven guilty by the court of law. And we trust the process that is going to be taking place. But our prayers is that let the truth be prevailed. And we trust the process by the commission that it will definitely go to the direction that it's supposed to.
Why are they not praying for the protection of General Mkhwana's, who revealed all these things to us, whom we know very well that his life, his family's lives are in danger? Why are they taking sides? Why were they not organizing these mass prayers for General Mkhwana's safety, for General Mkhwana's protection? Because we know that after revealing all these things to us, his life is not safe. They are declaring Senzo Mchunu innocent already. They are not praying for his soul. They are not praying for his repentance. At least to tell him that, say the truth will set you free. Are we safe in this country? Are we even safe in this world? If things are happening like this. Oh guys, I'm so scared.
I know it's pretty much still early to tell. If it happens that he is somehow found guilty of some of the allegations, does it now change the perception that you have of him as you are here showing support to him? What would things look like for you post that?
We believe in the minister. As you remember that he has been in water, he has been in education, from all those positions that he has held. He has not been found of any corruption. So that's the reason why mostly we hear and believing in him, that for the someone of his personality, we believe that he is innocent.
They are saying it's very loud and clear that Senzo Mchunu is innocent. General Mkhwana has lied against Senzo Mchunu. These are pastors. The evidence is there on top of the table. The recordings and everything is there. We know what happened. We have witnesses, a quite number of witnesses who are saying the same thing. And we are having people who were supposed to teach us the truth, who were supposed to lead us into the light, to lead Senzo Mchunu into the light of God. But no, they are doing the opposite of that. How can they say he is innocent after everything? Oh my goodness, as I said earlier, guys, I'm so scared. Does this mean that this is the end of the world? But anyways, we are standing with General Mkhwanazi no matter what. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Thank you so much. Bye.